Hi, I'm Tracy Barrett Adams, and I just got done taking Patricia's class that she's put together, and it's really not just a class, it's a whole process to use a combination of NLP techniques and movement and accessing the unconscious and the patterns that have taken place in the body and the unconscious filters and conscious filters that we put on, and it's really a lovely process that moves through all of that and literally moves through it. It's a very easy technique to learn, or easy technique to do. Wonderful to bring in with clients who are experiencing what we all do, where we hold our feelings in our bodies. A wonderful, really elegant process. And I was liked it so much. I've done it twice. I've taken it at 2 different conferences and enjoyed it. Really got something out of it both times. And I feel like, and Patricia lays it out so simply that it makes it really easy to bring it back into the clinical setting and use it with clients. So awesome. Highly recommend this.